Okay, so it's another morning. This is my alarm clock. I was supposed to sleep in this morning, but I guess someone had other plans.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the new subscribers. Some of you have asked for a tour of the house. We have an episode of that. It's pretty old. It's episode number 1, introduction to something. I can do a quick tour right now for you guys, so that you get to see the layout and the plans we have, even though we are mostly working at the stables at this very moment. So okay, so cue the mini tour of the house. So this is the north facing side of the property, which used to be the main entrance, or will be the main entrance, even though we might not use it as much as any of the other entrances. This is the entry hallway. We are going to put an arched window here. It used to be an arched window there, I think, or the design of this looks like it. This will be an office slash guest bedroom. In here we will have a guest bathroom with a bathtub, even though our guest might not use it, we might. This will be the kitchen. We are going to open up here and have a glass veranda over there. We are going to make an opening in the wall here for an entrance into the living room, which is, it looks like a hoarder lives here. These are things from our old apartment. We live in a rental apartment which is about half the size of what we're used to. So that will be the living room. This is the main staircase up to the second floor, and on the second floor there will be our bedroom in here. We will open, it's dark. Anyway, that's a bedroom. Here's another bedroom. We've done some work here. We're still waiting for the electrician. Over there is a balcony. I'll show that some other time. And this is the staircase going up to the attic. This will be a bathroom. Basically the only bathroom on this level. And then up here will be an attic. We are going to remove the old staircase here and put a spiral staircase in. And this is the attic, which will be one big room of 100 square meters, 1,000 square feet or whatever it is. So that's the tour of the, oh, here are my pliers. I need those. So that's the tour of the house. And then if we walk outside, we are gonna build a wall here to cover some of the traffic, to reduce the noise. We're gonna build a wall here, and that's our stables, barn building. This is where the glass veranda will be. This is our lovely garden, also known as the battlefield. And this is the stables. We are going to expose the bricks here. There will be a large glass window installed here in 2 weeks. It's the latest. And this is the stables where we are mostly working at the moment. Tomorrow morning we are going to do this. And here's my father fake working with something. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, I never know. Okay, so that's the mini tour And now let's get back to work. So we are working on the doorway, and we are going to start working in that corner because we are going to do some openings for the electricity, etc. And I'm just going to show you guys the quality of the work. It's amazing. Yeah, super happy. Okay, back to work. So that's the opening right there. Here we are, and that's sufficient to pull some electricity, etc. through. So we have made hole for electricity and another one over there for the air conditioning units. We're gonna have one in this room and another one in the other room. So yeah, this was terrible. Anyway, there it is. There it is. And now onwards towards the covering of the walls. This one. Okay, so I'm not gonna film the last bits up here. Tomorrow morning we are gonna be here at 7:30 to start with this, and we have all the supplies for it over here. All the dogs are in the car. Yes. And the vlog for today is over. So tomorrow morning. Ciao.